This is 2348 Brookhaven. I'm sorry, 2348 Lorraine in Brookhaven. And today it's an open house. So I want to take you through it so that you can see what happens in Brookhaven for $1.2 million. This is the entrance. Lovely home in Brookhaven. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms on 3 levels with a large backyard, which is very special for in-town living. One of the largest yards you can get, large enough to put a pool in, and we'll go back and see that. Again, this is 2348 Lorraine in Brookhaven. Nice, beautiful fireplace there. We have recessed lighting that goes all the way through the entire house. This is the ceiling. Hardwood floors go throughout the entire house. We've already seen one of the fireplaces, and we'll see another. This is the family room, also known as the keeping room area. There's a fireplace there as well, from floor to ceiling. The hearth is granite. Bookcases there. Recessed lighting. You can bring your bar stools to sit there and have your breakfast or visit with friends. This house features a stainless steel range, stainless steel Wolf appliances with sub-zero refrigeration, granite countertops again, Wolf appliances. You've got a 6-burner, and the center can convert to a griddle. Honey-colored cabinets. And there is the pantry. Wood rack is built in. Wine rack. That's a wine rack. And again, a sub-zero refrigerator. So let's check out what's happening over here in this backyard, because backyards this large are not the standard in Brookhaven, which is a suburb in Atlanta, but very, very close to the city because it is inside the perimeter, therefore known as in town. You've got a wonderful deck here where you can enjoy your friends and family while you cook out. Take in the sounds of the community. Now look at this backyard. And of course your neighbors there, they've got that wonderful area. There's a pool, it's covered for the winter season. Such a beautiful day like today. It doesn't look like it's winter at all, but it is. This is the backyard. One more look, and then we'll go upstairs. Passing by the bookcase, and over there we have the half bath for guests and the coat closet. Now let's go upstairs. Upstairs, you have a wonderful hallway before you go into the owner's suite. Tray ceiling, recessed lighting, giving plenty of light in this room. Hardwood floors here again. But you can see it's a very spacious room. And here the owner suite has a garden tub, jetted. And a beautiful feature I love is the steam shower. Yes, a steam shower. So if it's not just good enough to have the shower all by itself, you can steam right there. Water closet and the towels, linen. This is a spa-like bathroom. And the closet behind. Now let's check out the other bedrooms because they're kind of neat. Beautiful artwork as we go through the hall. Your laundry closet is there. Here we have one of the secondary bedrooms. Very spacious. Hardwood floors. And then we have the Jack and Jill. One of the vanities is here. Closet. There's the bathtub and toilet for that room. And here we have another vanity and a closet for this room. And it also is very spacious and overlooks the backyard. This home is in Brookhaven, suburb of Atlanta, but still within the perimeter, so it's in town. I'm Arvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate. I'd love to be your realtor. And by the way, if this is not your first time on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Check out all the videos as they're loaded.